this is what I'm doing today. I can show you what one looks like. These are all very dangerous. They have my coworkers working on that one. I'll show you what it looked like before. Gotta take every single one down. It's gonna be a pain in the freaking butt. This is what they look like. That one's gonna be worse because it's a blackboard. Caught you being a juvenile delinquent. Cardinal pride. But yes, so this is the next mission. Taking all these things down. At least we got all the garbage gone. Well, not now, because that's gonna refill it, but just saying, there's some changes going on. I haven't really done a video. This is all cleared up. This is getting emptier. I need to sell those basketball hoops. Those gotta be worth something. Somebody just came and bought 3 things. But yeah, this was, well, here's more garbage eventually, but see, down, or I can't, it's hard to see. But that used to be piled with garbage and it's all clean now. I'm so excited. But like I said, unfortunately, every time you do more demolition, I want to use the chainsaw. Gosh, I'd really fuck myself up with one of those. But anyways, that was all. Just wanted to do a little quick video. I'm hoping to go live either later tonight or tomorrow. I will chat with y'all later. Bye-bye.